To celebrate the 75th year of India's independence, or the AZAADI ka AMRIT MAHOTSAV, and the 50th year of Meghalaya's statehood, the Office of the Deputy Commissioner Bhoi District had organized a bike rally as part of the Northeast Festival 2022. The rally that was flagged off at NONGPOH by the Deputy Commissioner of Bhoi District, ARPIT UPADHAYay, is also part of the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao policy of the central government to honor the girl child. The rally was led by the President D.D. UMDOR of the Royal Enfield Riders Association of Meghalaya RERAM and participated by members of the association. Flagged off at UMROI, the rally touched JORABAD and later culminated at UMROI. Also present during the event was the Additional Deputy Commissioner of Bhoi District, M.B. TONGPER.
Everyone for this initiative of the 75 years celebration of the independence, the AZAADI ka AMRIT MAHOTSAV, and a big gratitude for all the bike participants who have graciously come here to celebrate with all of us this bike rally, and your support for this thing. It's very I got to know that you are so much willing to be a part of this thing. It was a big thing for us, and thank you so much for being a part of all of this. And I would like to say that so far we have been doing a lot of initiatives, but when it reaches to people, it's only through the initiatives of through rallies, when all people come together and we are able to collaborate with the people with the ground people. So thank you so much, and my best wishes to everyone on this initiative of the 75 years of India's independence as AZAADI ka AMRIT MAHOTSAV.